Right, so we've got our kitchen. Let's add the marker to our side. We've got all these stones. Let's say we want this to be in 30 millimeters, and we always, let's say, marking the 30 millimeters using the letters. Okay, so we can select the sections and mark them with the letters B, C. Okay, we can move that so it's visible. Okay, but then we abstance we're using the numbers, but let's use the numbers in the format of one of many markers. We're gonna select available clear section, because with this marker we can select also the letters. So let's say the C letter we want to be orientated like that, and then A we want to have also like that. So then we want to select the rest available and mark them with the number like this.